Let's be honest. Most people feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day. You wake up motivated, ready to be productive, only to realize at the end of the day that you hardly got anything done. Meanwhile, some people seem to accomplish way more in the same amount of time. But here's the secret. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step system to stop wasting time. So stick around, because even the CEOs of the biggest companies take the final step very seriously. Step 1. Work less, achieve more. The 80-20 rule. This rule suggests that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. It's a game changer when you realize that not everything on your to-do list is equally important. Think about it like this. If you're a student, you might find that 20% of your study time contributes to 80% of your grades. So instead of running yourself ragged trying to do everything, ask yourself two critical questions. What are the few things that really matter? And what tasks can I eliminate or outsource? Step 2. Plan your week before it starts. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They start the day without any real plan. They're just reacting to whatever comes up. That's a productivity killer. Instead, take some time to map out your week. Write down 3 to 5 big goals that you want to achieve, and then break them down into smaller, manageable daily tasks. This gives you clarity about what needs to be done, and more importantly, what doesn't. Now, don't just list these tasks in a notebook. Actually schedule them into your calendar as if they're appointments with yourself. When the morning comes around, you'll know exactly what needs to be tackled and can dive right in without wasting time. Step 3. Time block everything. If you're anything like most people, you've probably written a to-do list and then spent half the day procrastinating on the tasks. Why does that happen? Because simply writing things down isn't enough to keep you on track. You need a strategy to ensure you follow through. This is where time blocking comes in. Time blocking means scheduling specific time slots for your most important tasks. When you block out dedicated time for deep work, you're much more likely to focus and get things done. Here's an example. From 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., focus on your high-priority tasks. No distractions, no phone, no checking emails. Then take a short break from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., allowing your mind to recharge. Follow it up with another focused block of work, and then take a full hour for lunch to reset your brain. By planning your day this way, you're giving yourself the opportunity to stay focused and balanced. It's an intentional way to work that makes sure you stay productive without burning out. Step 4. Eliminate time wasters. Now let's talk about time wasters. These are the little things that add up, draining your time without you even realizing it. Social media, for example. You think you'll check TikTok for just 5 minutes, and next thing you know, it's been 45 minutes. Or maybe you say yes to every request or task that comes your way, not realizing you're overcommitting yourself. One of the best ways to become more productive is to eliminate these distractions. Start by batching tasks like email checking. Set specific times during the day to go through your inbox, instead of checking it every 10 minutes. When it comes to social media, set boundaries. Maybe only allow yourself 15 minutes of scrolling during lunch breaks. And most importantly, learn how to say no to things that won't contribute to your most important goals. By cutting out these time-draining habits, you'll free up hours in your week and protect your focus. Finally, the tip that makes the most difference. Step 5. Review and adjust every week. At the end of each week, take some time to review how things went. Reflect on what worked well, what didn't, and what changes you could make moving forward. Did you complete your goals? Were there distractions that slowed you down? Can you adjust your schedule for next week to be even more effective? Productivity isn't about perfection. It's about continuous improvement. That's why reviewing and adjusting are so important. This way you keep getting better and better at managing your time and staying focused. Success isn't about time, it's about focus. So long story short, the people who get incredible results don't work all day, every day. They know how to use their time wisely, and they protect their focus. So are you ready to start getting more done in a week than most people do in an entire month? Pick one of these hacks and try it out today. Drop a comment and tell me which one gave you the biggest productivity boost. And if you're ready to unlock next level focus, hit that subscribe button.